Okay, so welcome guys. So let's solve in this Leetcode 1A22 sign of the product array. Okay, so this one is a very easy one. Right, there is a sign function, right? So if x is positive, you return 1, negative, you return -1, and the 0, you return 0. Okay, so you return the product of the the product. Let product be the product of values in numbers, and then you return the sign function. Okay, so this one is easy because why this is easy, right? Because the idea is that you only count how many odd sign in the integer. Sorry, how many odd sign, right? So if the number of odd sign is the number of negative sign is odd, then you return -1, right? If the number of the negative signs are even, then you return 1. If one of them are 0, then you return 0. Okay. So I just let count to be 1, right? And for I numbers, if I is less than 0, then I should times 1 minus 1, right? So I'll count just times -1. If I is 0, then I return 0, right? If I got same 0, and finally I just return count, right? So this count just -1 to the power of how many negative number in the array, right? So this should solve this. So solve this problem. Right, and this is you can prove this is the optimal way by the complexity, right? Because you at least need to look out the array, right? So the order of the list problem is the number, is the length of the list, right? So it's order n. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.